महाभारत रेज योर हैंड्स, तो सब जन करेंगे, सबको मालूम है. Can you tell me one person in Mahabharata who was not killed with deceit? Think about it. Whether it is Bhishma or Dronacharya, anybody, anybody for that matter, everybody in this, दुर्योधन से लेके दुशासन से लेके सब जन को, जैसे अभी दुर्योधन को मारने के टाइम पे ना कृष्णा है ना एकदम साइलेंटली है ना ऐसा अपना ऐसा करके है ना अपना वो बताता है मैं डॉन के अंडरवेयर और बनियान पहनता हूँ. He rubs his hand over his jang, okay, and shows. Now the people in the vicinity do not understand this, but only Bhima understands what he is talking about. Bhima remembers the vow he has given his wife. I'm going to break his leg, because he had said, come and sit on my thighs. So he's going to crack his thigh. And Krishna has been very smartly, what he has done, when Gandhari has told, I'm sorry, is it getting too complicated, Pari?
Because you're going here.
It's okay, no problem. So the whole of Mahabharata is coming in the picture. So here Gandhari has told Duryodhan that you have to come
Naked.
in your birthday clothes, first birthday clothes, in front of me, so you will get
The power.
the strength, because I am going to open my eyes. And he goes like a foolish person. Actually, he's a very, very gullible, what do you say, gullible, no? Gullible, no? He's a very gullible person. If you have followed Duryodhan right from the beginning, he's a very gullible person, very simple minded. He has absolutely no, उसको छक्का पंजा कुछ मालूम नहीं. Yeah, no. He's a very smart fellow, no doubt about it. But he is not a gullible person. He's not क्या बोलते हैं आतल्या गाठीचा बोलेगा तो
Inside.
चालू कैरेक्टर.
He's not a chalu character. Yes.
He's not a चालू कैरेक्टर.
No,
He's not
common sense.
No. He has common sense. He is not
Con man.
deceitful.
Oh, okay.
Deceitful.
The one person who is deceitful in this whole thing is our
You?
great friend. is
Yeah.
Krishna. So what he does is, when he is going to meet his mother, he says, hey, you are a grown-up fellow. You can't go and stand in front of your mother with naked, everything dangling all over the place. You better go wearing at least one langoti. And the poor fellow goes, Aparna, don't laugh, yaar. He must be having...
How can you say stuff like that? Wow. I mean, we can understand what happens. Why do you have to describe it?
See, I have to tell you that he is a true man.
Dad, we don't need to know such things, Dad.
No, but you said there is only one man. All others are women.
Okay. So, and he has played his deceitful card there itself. And Gandhari is not able to see this man completely. And that particular groin becomes the weakest part of his body. And then he uses this knowledge in the end to tell Duryodhan, to tell Bhima to crack him over there. Every person in Mahabharata is with deceit and treachery only, because they are invincible. The entire Kauravas are invincible. Nobody can defeat them. Imagine having two of the greatest gurus with you. And the last, you know what? When Duryodhan is lying there, he says, sorry, I want to give up just now. And he says, let me lie on the floor. And he lies on the floor. And he looks at Krishna and he says, you know what? You all can stay over here and go to hell, all I care about. I am going to heaven. I and all my brothers are going to heaven, and all you people are going to go to hell. And he looks at Bhima and says, you know what? You have used This, you know this knowledge, and because of Krishna you have used this knowledge. Okay, you are surely going to go to hell. And this was already told to Bhima and Arjuna and every other person that they are anyway going to go to hell. But Arjuna, because he is a chaplus fellow, हाँ चापलूस समझ में आता है, मस्का लगाता है कृष्णा को, इसीलिए वो हेवन में जाता है. So understood? So coming back to this, therefore Krishna, it does not behove us to kill our relations, the son of Dhritarashtra. For how can we be happy after killing our own kinsmen? Even though these people, with their mind blinded by greed, perceive no evil in destroying their own race, and no sin in treason to friends, why should not we, O Krishna, who see clearly the sin accruing from the destruction of one's family, think of desisting from committing this sin? Imagine he is telling Krishna all this. He says, Krishna, you know everything, isn't it? On one side he is telling Krishna, you know everything, and on the other side he is saying, we should take a decision of not fighting this war. So if Krishna is the knower of all the things in the world, why is somebody who is not knowing anything telling him that he is not supposed to do that? Yeah, Padma, you are typing something? Okay. So
Ego.
it's a very, no, I'm not talking about ego, I'm just telling you. Yeah. So the problem which we face is that we are not able to see through this whole thing. We become blinded as bad as Dhritarashtra, because our mind has stopped working. Our senses are no longer functioning. Remember I told you, oh tiger सामने आया तो क्या हो गया? So even if you have the lord of the tiger standing next to you and walking with you, still you are going to be afraid. It is like एक पिक्चर देखा था हमने, वो लायन का, साउथ अफ्रीका में वो लायन कुछ तो भी रहता है.
Madagascar.
Ghost and
No,
Darkness.
not
Born free.
Born free. Oh, that is a fantastic story. Imagine being there with the lions, and the lady is telling you, please come, put your hand in his mouth. Oh my God, how can you do that? मैं नहीं करेगा बाबा. So fear overcomes you. In most of these snake parks and many of these places in the world, dolphins and porpoises and all that, they have these shows in the zoos where they will tell you, come and feed these animals, and you know they are trained. You have the prior knowledge that they are trained, that nothing is going to happen to you, yet fear is overriding us. Okay, indecision is major. I still remember when I had gone to this place and वो क्या बंजी जंपिंग करने का 52nd क्या 61 फ्लोर का ऊपर से बंजी जंपिंग. अरे बाबा 61 फ्लोर का ऊपर से बंजी जंपिंग बोलेगा तो कितना बड़ा हो गया. आनो ऊपर से डोंक करके नीचे गिरता है. The whole thing is in your mouth like that. Or when you go to this, the highest, what do you call that?
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster. अरे बाबा, उधर हम लोग उधर फन वर्ल्ड जाते थे तो कल बहुत तकलीफ होती थी. Fun World was in Mumbai. A small fellow, very tiny rides were there. But still, the fear factor comes in. Though you have safety harnesses, you have everything going for you. Here in this story, Krishna is with you, and yet Arjuna is saying, नहीं ये हम लोग सब करेंगे तो बहुत तकलीफ में आ जाएंगे. No reason whatsoever. There is absolutely no reason. He's completely lost his marbles, I can say. Yes. So then what has happened? He is talking about how many reasons you can give. So he says these other people are having greed. I don't know how many of you actually know that the kingdom was given to Yudhishthir twice. You know that? The first time He lost it in the dice game. So his father again gave him back the kingdom, half of it. Again he went and lost it. And this is what happens to every human being. A person never realizes the mistakes that he does for the first time. So this is what I wrote in the second update that I wrote. Pari, did you get Ashwatthama? Good. So now I gave you before story. So here the idea is that even if we know the mistakes that we have done for the first time, still we don't want to, we think that luck is on our side, this is on our side, that is on our side. So the second time we go and do the same thing again. So एलिजाबेथ टेलर को तो बहुत टाइम समझ में ही नहीं आया वो चीज,
8 बार।
हाँ 8 बार, फिर भी वो यही सोचती रही, क्या होप्स रहेंगे ना उसके। बोला यार ये तो तकलीफ है लाइफ में। सो अर्जुना इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ अदर पीपल आर ग्रीडी। ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दुर्योधन's greed. I am sorry, you know, if you have read the Mahabharata, the kingdom was Duryodhan's only, right? It was given because Dhritarashtra was blind.
Pandu. His brother.
Yes, and Pandu got the kingdom because Dhritarashtra was blind. Though the eldest son in the entire family was Duryodhan himself, yet he never got the kingdom. तो चोरी किसने किया? इन लोगों ने किया कि उन लोगों ने किया? I am not saying that Duryodhan is good or Arjuna is bad. I am just trying to tell you logically and legally the kingdom was Duryodhan's only. But even when here Meri Billi Mujhko Meow, so Arjuna is telling him, even though these people with their minds blinded by greed, perceiving no evil in destroying their own race. He is talking about destroying the own race. Finally, in the end, he is going to kill everybody. Whose race was destroyed? The Kauravas' race was destroyed. Pandavas was not destroyed at all. Pandavas' race continued. And no sin in treason to friends. Treason to friends. Why should not we, O Krishna, who see clearly the sin accruing from the destruction of one's family, think of desisting from committing this sin? What does he mean by saying desisting from committing the sin from the family? यार ये family में कुछ है ही नहीं. Oh, this has gone down. ये कैसा करने का इसको ऊपर?
No.
हाँ? किधर है?
Pandu.
ये Allah Allah. How do you do this? Or maybe it's this. वो सा दिखता
No,
ही नहीं.
this cursor will come.
Okay, okay.
Why are you having electoral?
No, I am not having electoral. Rajeshri is having.
She okay?
No. She removed everything yesterday, what she ate. So where we had gone, she got food poisoning. I didn't get food poisoning. Though I ate the same thing. So, where are we? Age-long family traditions disappear with the destruction of a family, and virtue having been lost, vice takes hold of the entire race. Okay, with the preponderance of vice, Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and with the corruption of women or descendant of Vrishni, there ensues an intermixture